Hello everybody, today is day 7 of World Book Fair and we are at Pragati Maidan, Delhi. We have with us our author Swati Nargotra Kapoor. Hi ma'am, how are you doing?
Hi, Diksha. I'm good. How are you?
I am good as well. How are you feeling looking at your book, placed here at the World Book Fair?
It's a cocktail of emotions. I'm nervous, I'm excited, I'm thrilled. My inspiration is here, so it's a very special moment for me. You, my daughter, Arunya,
Very
is here
nice.
with me today.
So is this book dedicated to her as well?
And to my daughter and my niece, Swachi, she's not here. She could not join me today, but she is waiting for this moment. She could tell everybody in her school that Mama is an author now.
Wow. Ma'am,
One more book of yours.
ma'am, can you tell me a little bit about this book so that our audience can understand it a little better?
Sure. So this is a children's book, as the name suggests, and I am, as a reader, very influenced by magical fiction, and Harry Potter has been my greatest inspiration in this case. And I believe magic can happen anywhere. And this is a book about magic in a way that shapes come alive here. And Cherry goes and meet them and learns many things. Think about that.
Very nice. And why this title, Cherry Visits the Kingdom of Shapes?
So, Cherry is a name. I had to come up with a name with whom I could relate. So I came up with many names, but I was not convinced. But I made a character with which I could relate, and this was Cherry.
Wonderful.
So even in fiction, there is a bit of truth there. It's not just completely fiction.
Wonderful.
Yeah.
How was your publishing journey? Was it difficult or was it easy?
I actually, first of all, thank you to Indie Press / The Right Order. When I began working with them, it was Right Order, and I was absolutely clueless about this journey. Shubhangi and Ananya had been of great help to me. I must have bothered Ananya on a number of times. I want this, I want that, and she very patiently dealt with me. She listened to me. We had long chats, long calls, last moment changes right before the book was going for publishing. I made a major change in the book, and they did everything possible for me to make it very comfortable, to make me calm down as a first time author, and I'm definitely going to them for my next book as well.
Wonderful. That's very nice to hear. Is there any, a word that you would pass on to authors who want to write children's book? Because you are already published now. Is there any words of wisdom that you would want to ask, pass it on?
Read as much as you can. You read, you enrich your vocab, you get so many ideas to write about, think about, and I believe always keep a diary and a pen with you. Scribble your observations, whatever you see around yourself. There's so much the world has to offer. You can make a story out of anything. You can put out your anecdotes, give them a nice look and shape, and just write down. And don't
Wonderful.
hesitate, don't be scared. I was also scared in the beginning. I did not even know if it was all worth it. But now when I look at her, look at my family, it's all worth it in the end.
How was your family's reaction once, they saw the printed copies? What were their reactions like?
Honestly, they were more excited than me. I was too nervous. I remember when I saw the book for the first time, my hand was shaking.
Wow.
When I held the book in my hand. It was my second baby, I would say. But my family was super excited. Today morning, my husband, who's here, he was like, he must have told me a number of times, I'm very proud of you. I am very proud of you, Swati, and that's what it means to me. My father, who's the reason I am a reader today, is because of my father. He was supposed to be with us today. For some reason, he could not come. And so this is to Papa, this is for you. All I am today is because of you and my husband.
That's great. Just a quick rapid fire now.
Okay.
Are you ready?
Yes.
What's your favorite genre?
Fiction.
Any favorite book?
Ruskin Bond. All books of Ruskin,
Ruskin
Bond.
Bond.
J.K. Rowling, Harry Potter, obsessed with them.
Who's your favorite author amongst the three?
Ruskin Bond.
Ruskin.
He is like a cup of hot soup on a very bad day you're having. Anytime I'm feeling low, I go to my Ruskin Bond books and I read those and I feel better.
Why do you like Ruskin Bond?
His simplicity, first of all, I find, I've never met him of course, but when I read his books, he has a mountain connection. I'm from mountains, so I have that connection with him. Okay, his father served in the forces, my father is from the forces, so again we have that connection. He has shared his anecdotes of staying at different places, so have I, and basically his language. It is very simple. You don't need to keep an Oxford dictionary with you while you're going through his book. And he calls out to you. I read his book, I can make a direct connection with him.
Wonderful.
So Ruskin Bond is like, it's my dream to meet him at his Missouri Central Bookstore. I think there's that Capital Bookstore, there he comes. And we missed him by a day, but Ruskin Bond, any day.
Reading or writing? Both.
Of late, writing.
Very nice.
Actually, during my lockdown period, I had hit my rock bottom. It was so depressing to be cooped up in your house all day. And that's when I picked up writing. It has taken a good shape, I hope.
Writing while traveling or writing on rest days?
Rest days. Because I need complete silence. I am a very sunky person that way. I need my shanti, I need my room all locked up and complete shanti, little music, classical music in the background, and then only I can write. I can't write in this show, Shabba.
Wonderful. So any one final last message to the readers, to the viewers of this video?
Yes, please, since I have written a children's book, I would just say one thing. Please encourage your children to read as much as you can in a world of social media and OTT where children are way more attracted to these things and they are moving away from reading and from books. I think it's not fair to this thing. And we should be encouraging children all the time to read.
Wonderful.
What you will gain from him, that's not what you will gain from him. This is going to be with you all your life.
Wonderful, ma'am. Thank you so much for your time.
Thank you, Diksha.
It was a pleasure, working with you, and thank you for trusting us as your publishing partners.
Thank you.
I request you to sign the copies that are in front of you. The ones who pick up the copies are going to be lucky. Once you have signed, can you hold the copy to us? Thank you.
Thank you, Diksha.